How to check deleted Roblox account. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in this video tutorial, I'll show you how you can check for deleted Roblox accounts. It's a fast and simple process, so follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and open any web browser and then go to rblx.trade. This is primarily a Roblox trading website. At the top, hover your mouse over search and this will display a menu. Select players and then player search. Enter the username of the account that you want to check. This website allows you to search for all accounts including banned or terminated ones. If the account exists or existed before, it will appear below the search bar. You can click on a profile to view any available information. And I hope this helped you check deleted Roblox accounts. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.